To fix an air conditioner that's not spinning, it's essential to identify the root cause of the issue. A common problem may be a defective capacitor, which, if dead, can cause the air conditioner to stop spinning. Replacing the capacitor is necessary to get the HVAC system running properly again. Another potential cause is a cracked or broken fan belt, which can prevent the fan from turning. As fan belts age, they become more prone to fraying and tearing, so replacing the belt can resolve the issue. A clogged air filter is also a possible culprit, as it can reduce airflow in the AC unit and cause it to stop spinning. Air filters can become clogged with debris such as pollen, dust, fur, and other particles. To prevent this problem, it's crucial to maintain the AC unit with clean and new air filters. By addressing these potential causes, fixing an air conditioner that's not spinning can be a relatively simple process.